Hello viewers, another new video in the Tip and Tricks playlist with some interesting keyboard shortcuts for Windows operating system. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and turn on the bell icon to get notifications. And if you are already subscribed, then thank you very much. So let's see the interesting keyboard shortcuts in today's video. We'll see 5 tips in this video. First tip is about emoji. In many applications, we get default emoji support. For example, we get emoji support in social media like Facebook, WhatsApp, and we use them while writing message, comment. If our computer operating system provided us with emoji support, we could easily use those emojis. We have the interesting way through which we can get emoji support in Windows operating system. Once we get those emojis, we can use them to write text anywhere. Let's see how we can get support for that emoji. That's why we press Windows and period key together from the keyboard. The emoji pop-up opens. We can see the emojis here. If we need these emojis in any place, we can open the emoji pop-up by pressing Windows and period key and use them there as needed. Next, let us see the second tip. Before that, let's say that if you haven't seen the another video in the Tip and Tricks playlist, then check the playlist given in the I button above. We open as many windows as we need to while working. And while minimizing these multiple windows, we minimize each one by one from this minimize icon. In that case, it is time consuming to minimize each window one by one. If there is a keyboard shortcut with which we can minimize all the windows together, and if necessary, we can maximize them. If we press Windows and D key from the keyboard once, all open window will be minimized. And if I pressed again, then all minimized window will be maximized. There is also another way. This is the taskbar. We can see a vertical line on the right side of the taskbar. There is a small amount of space next to this line. By clicking on this space, we can minimize all the windows, and by clicking again, we can maximize the windows. Next, we will look at the third shortcut. Sometimes we need to search something in our operating system. Then we'll open the search option by clicking on the search icon. In that case, if we press Windows and S key from our keyboard, the search options of the operating system will be opened directly. The fourth shortcut is we often need to preview file like photos, text file, all types of file that we use. In that case, there is a shortcut using which we can preview any file. So I accessed my download folders, then there are the photo in the folder. If I open, then we see a big preview of that photo. There is a shortcut, press Alt and P key from the keyboard. Then the selected file will be opened on the right side in the short preview. Then press Alt and P key again to hide the short preview section. Then the fifth shortcut is clipboard use. we will see how we can use our clipboard very easily as a shortcut. We need something readable when we copy any text. This copy text are stored in the clipboard. We can use the text stored in the clipboard continuously. If we need to copy the text from here to a file, in that case, we copy this text from here once. And again, we need to copy this text and paste it in the required file. That's why this text can be copied by pressing keyboard shortcut Ctrl and C. And later, this text can be copied by pressing keyboard shortcut Ctrl and C. Now, if we want to access the clipboard, we can use the clipboard by pressing Window and V from the keyboard. Here I have copied two texts. They are stored in the clipboard in sequence. Now, if you need to paste the text in a file, then do not copy and paste multiple times. We will easily store as much text as we need in the clipboard by pressing Ctrl and C. And by pressing Window and V key from the keyboard, I can paste the first text piece and then the second piece of the text successfully from the keyboard.